21st Century Healthcare Consultants are the providers of Home Care University. We are the only home care consulting and home healthcare consulting company to offer a lifetime training and support program. 21st Century Healthcare Consultants Home Care University Advanced Marketing and Business Development Home Healthcare Training Seminar is a necessity for those who are embarking on opening a new home care agency and existing home healthcare agencies alike who desire to set themselves apart from the competition. This course focuses on the changes in home healthcare in the U.S. and how it is imperative for you to be competitive and innovative in your approach to gaining market share in the home healthcare industry. Medicare, private, and commercial payers are changing their approach and reimbursement models to shared risk programs that are performance-driven. They are looking for those home healthcare agencies that will join them in providing the highest level of care and positive outcomes in the comfort of the patient's homes. Payers, physicians, and hospitals, as well as patients and their families, are seeking home healthcare agencies that meet these standards in their community. Targeting your market, developing a strategy, implementing innovative programs, as well as direct marketing keys to success are among the topics to be covered in this home healthcare training seminar. Our objective is to assist you in providing successful marketing to your referral sources and increasing your patient census. Our goal is to have you leave our training seminars ready to hit the ground running and launch your very own home healthcare agency. Our home healthcare training seminars cover the critical areas required for our clients to effectively operate in the ever-changing home healthcare arena. We have designed our training programs to give you the knowledge to effectively operate business, from all that is required with the admitting of patients to meeting all the requirements for the completion of successful home healthcare state and federal surveys. Please call us today for a free, no-obligation consultation. Our phone is 888-850-6932 or visit us on the web. Our website address is www.homecarebusiness.net.